Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and hope you guys had a great new year, and let's kick off the year with some Dynamite in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the straps first around the 3 sticks of dynamite. So we're going to start on the top, we'll just draw in just one little curve like that first. And then from that curve on the corners here, just gonna slant it down kind of straight. Okay, so that's gonna be the top of the strap. And then now just come down to the bottom and draw the same curve. And then we're just gonna slant out again. So it's basically the same curves on top and bottom. And then now we're just gonna connect it just with a straight line. Alright, so that's gonna be the top strap, and now let's draw in the center dynamite. So right in the middle here, we're gonna go back up again. We're gonna draw another curve, the same thing. Okay, and then for the corners here, we're gonna draw, this is gonna be the top of the dynamite. Okay, so we're gonna come down straight and just envision it kind of going through the straps right there. So I'm just gonna draw 2 little lines just to show where we are. So that's gonna be 1 stick of the dynamite, and then now we're gonna come to the side here, right on the side, just give a little bit of space, just come up, and then draw like the same curve, so it's gonna start bending down and we won't see the other side, of course. Alright, and then same thing on this side, so just come to the edge, come in slightly, go straight up, and then 1 curve, so it's the same curve as that. Okay, and then we can come down here, just kind of come straight down. So now you have those 3 sticks of dynamite. And then for the strap here, just kind of right on the corner, just kind of tuck it back in. So it makes it look like it's going around. Okay, so that's the 3 sticks, and then now we're gonna keep going down. So this part gets a little bit easier now that we've drawn the top part. So I'm just gonna extend this line, and I know I'm drawing it wobbly. So just try to make yours a little bit straighter than that. Okay, and then come down. So we're gonna draw the same curve again as that. And then for this one, now we're gonna continue down. Just kind of come down right around here first. So now let's come back here, and then same thing. We're gonna slant it out past this line here. So I'm gonna go out past this line, and then whatever space in here, you can just come down and close it off. Okay, so 1 more curve on the bottom here, same thing. Curve. Let's go out. Close that off. And then now let's draw in the bottom of the dynamite. So we're gonna keep going down. Continue that line, just right around here, we'll stop. And then now we're gonna draw the bottom, same curve as the one on top. I'm gonna go this way. And then once you have that, we're gonna draw the opposite curve on the other side. Okay, so that's 1 complete stick, and now let's move on to the other one. So for the other one, keep coming down. Okay, from this corner here, just curve. So same thing as that. Curve on the bottom, and then right here we just go up. Okay, so come down, same curve as that one, same thing on the bottom, just opposite, and then 1 line going up. Okay, so those are all 3 sticks, and then right here just gonna tuck it in again. Alright, so this part's a little bit tricky, but not too bad. Alright, so now we can finish it off just by drawing the fuse, and this is easy. So here's the middle, just kind of come off to the side a little bit. We can also almost make like 2 little marks first. And then now we're gonna go up. And it doesn't have to be exactly like this, just as long as you have some kind of curve. And then for this one, we're just gonna follow it. close it off, and if you want to add in some of the lines, the textures, just add in a few all the way around. And that is it for this Dynamite in Fortnite. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.